run off.
No, he won't run off. You could walk him by like how.
No, when you walk him, you gotta walk him with a leash. If you have him like in the yard, that's fine. But if you're gonna walk him, you gotta walk that dog with a leash, cause he'll take off on you.
Yeah, if you're going on like a road or a sidewalk.
Okay, dog. Going up there. Alright, stop.
Oh.
Bless you.
Hey, be nice. Be nice, boys.
People. Oh, he almost caught him just there.
I wish I could run like that.
Hey, Murph.
No, once he's bigger.
You see him? He just stops on the dime and just jumps and does like a whole fucking.
People, be nice.
Like a 360.
I think it's the most exercise he's gotten in a day. People. Boys, oh boys!
Only a year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, people, yeah, it's a year.
I won't break it, right? You ride your bike all the time.
Yeah, but make sure you gotta stand up and pump it. That's how I get up the hill. See?
Well, I'm a little bit bigger than you, so I don't think I have to pump it.
And make sure you don't hit that big bump.